Every year, German magazine Automotor und Sport conducts a reader survey to choose the best cars in specific categories. This award ceremony was held for the 41st time this year and was held in Stuttgart, Germany. In the home of Porsche and Mercedes-Benz, Audi took home 2 awards for 2 different cars in 2 different categories. The Audi A1 won the award for Best Small Car 2017 and the Audi A3 won the Best Compact Car 2017 award. The double victory in the Best Cars 2017 gives us momentum for the new year. This success shows that the enthusiasm for our cars continues to hold true. This gives us confidence on our way to the future, said Rupert Stadler, chairman of the board of Audi AG. Dietmar Wagenreeder, board member for sales and marketing at Audi AG, added the A1 and A3 offer all of the virtues of an Audi in a compact format. With this recipe for success, both models consistently drive home strong sales figures. And we expect the demand for premium mobility in the city to continue to grow. The Audi Q7 also took second place in the large SUV/off-road vehicle category, and the Audi A4 took third place in the mid-size category, which is probably the most hotly contested automotive segment in the industry at the moment. So it seems that Audi now has a large stable of great cars that range the entire lineup. Stadler is right, the recent success of Audi's new models should give the brand hope and excitement moving forward.